TV, YouTube, social media, all of that is all right. But tell me, how many books do you read each month? If you immediately jumped at explaining how you're so busy, then stop right here. In today's video, I'm going to recommend you 7 short stories that you can listen to in no time. Why audiobooks? Because they are one of the best methods to consume more books. This month, particularly in September, I had my usual work, I had a big fat Indian wedding to attend, and also I had to prepare for an exam that I'm still not prepared for. And still, I managed to listen to all of these audiobooks that I am going to recommend you today. That's the beauty of audiobooks. And without further ado, let me get started with this video. But before that, hi there, I am Manpreet. I'm India's leading books YouTuber who helps people discover new books and develop the habit of reading with a lot of book reviews and recommendations. If you're new here, please make sure you subscribe right now. If you are an existing subscriber, make sure you are also subscribed to my email newsletter to catch exclusive updates there as well. So now let's get started with the recommendations that I have for you today. Number one recommendation I have for you today is Sherlock in the Bus by Amol Riker. First of all, it's a 9-minute story. Storytel has several original stories that are short and easy to listen to. And this one particularly is about this guy who, while boarding a bus, loses his wallet. And he's sure that this particular guy in the bus has stolen it. And soon he launches his investigation. And the whole book has a lot of morals and lessons that can be derived from what the protagonist Vijay is going through while searching for his wallet. And this video will have a lot of Amol Riker audiobook recommendations, and I just loved the short stories of his on Storytel because they are short, easy to listen to, and they often come with a moral lesson or some kind of lessons. Expect a few more Amol Riker recommendations in this video. And now moving on to the second audiobook recommendation that I have for you. It is Double Murder by Amol Riker. Now, this is again a short story about these two girls who are murdered, and they are seemingly unrelated except for the fact that they use the same dating app. There are little to no clues about who killed them, and the investigator has to just figure out who's the murderer. And I found the story a little bit predictable, but I really like the mental health angle given to this story, so that's why I'm recommending this one to you. The best part is it's just 12-minute long, and I listened to most of these books while my husband and I were driving around the Jammu city looking for some outfits, some jewelry for me. I'm new to the city, so that was an experience itself. And one thing that really helped me out with this was the save offline feature of Storytel, because I have almost always have network issues while I'm outside my home in Jammu, and save offline feature really helps you to just listen to the book right away. So I would really recommend you to just plan ahead, think of the audiobook you are going to listen to while you're going to commute the next day, and save it offline so that when you start driving, you can just play the book in no time, and that will help you to get a lot more listening done than usual. So that's my tip. And now moving on to the third audiobook recommendation I have for you today. So this is again an Amol Riker story. Trust me, this is one of my favorites. If you are going to pick just one recommendation out of these 7 I am going to recommend today, just pick this one. I'll tell you why I liked it so much. So this is a caper story. A serial killer is planning to murder a girl, and he just explains his method and even gives you tips on how you can, plan a perfect murder. And he sort of thinks of himself as an artist, and he's just narrating this, the serial killer. And I really loved this short story because it has this vibe that is established right from the very beginning, and it's just something, a genre that I like. I would really recommend you to try this out. This one is just 12 minutes long, and this one is narrated by Vineet Mahajan. And honestly, he is the narrator that sort of like reestablishes my point on how a narrator can make a book so much better. So this audiobook is really cool, but the narrator has made it even better, and that's why this is one of my top audiobooks and short stories that I would recommend you in this video. Now moving on to the fourth recommendation I have for you. That is A Little Duck Girl by Anita Nair. It's a short and sweet story that has been narrated by a celebrity, Prakash Raj. Honestly, what got me interested in this book was that it was narrated by Prakash Raj, and there are many celebrity narrated books on Storytel. I would say if you're just beginning out with audiobooks, and if you're just new on Storytel, try and listen to all the celebrity narrated books first, because that experience is very likely to be much better than anything else. There are many other awesome audiobooks out there, but if you're just beginning out, try with celebrity narrated books and you are going to love that experience. Anyway, moving on to talking about the actual audiobook, The Little Duck Girl. What is it about? The core theme of this book is based around CAA and NRC from 2019, if you may remember that. And the story follows this middle aged man, Shri Raman, aka Mash, who introduces us to this very ordinary and very monotonous life of his in a small village in Kerala. As the story propels, Mash introduces us to the very beautiful, picturesque God's own country and dosa. Yes, I'm serious about that. There is so epic description of dosa being cooked on cast iron skillet that it will make your mouth water. At least that's what happened with me. And coincidentally, I was listening to this book while I was actually tending to the chores in the kitchen, because we had my family and there was extended family over for the week because of the wedding. And I actually happened to be listening to this book while I was in kitchen, and then these descriptions came in, and it was just even better to listen to this book. And this is what makes audiobooks amazing. Apart from these coincidences, you can actually listen to more stories and consume more books while tending to the chores, and it just helps you out to save more time, to find more time to get more listening done. Anyway, coming back to The Little Duck Girl. So Marsh is living his peaceful, quiet life in Kerala, and then one day this little duck girl comes back into the village, and the political undertone of the book, the theme of the book, puts Marsh in the middle of an unforeseeable conflict. And that is what this audiobook is about. I really like this audiobook, gave it 4 out of 5 stars. And this one has really likable, relatable characters, and the characters were so well done. Although it's a little bit predictable, but I would say if you can read something without getting too much enrolled into the political side of it, then you would really enjoy this audiobook. So just check it out. Now coming to the number 5 recommendation I have for you, and that is Mustard Oil versus Coconut Oil. So this is a short story again by Amol Riker. You can tell that Manpreet is becoming an Amol Riker fan as she's listening to more and more Storytel audiobooks while trying to make some recommendation videos for you guys. Anyway, this one is about this one guy who's a Bengali and his girlfriend who's a Malayali, and these people who are very much in love decide to make their mothers meet. And when they meet, they very quickly take control of the meeting and turn the whole conversation about their love and them meeting and them wanting to get married into the conversation about coconut oil versus mustard oil. This one is very short, and I think listening to short stories is super amazing because you can really listen to one whole story in no time. Even if you have like a 10-minute drive, you can listen to one whole story without taking a break, with these kind of short stories, which is why I thought of making this recommendation video for you guys. I hope you are enjoying it so far. If you are, make sure you comment down below with a yes. And now let's move on to the next recommendation I have for you. This one is from Italy with Corona. So this story is set in early 2020. There is this couple who just got married and they went on their honeymoon, and as they come back, they have to quarantine themselves. But their family, the Gill family, is very uncomfortable with this situation. They are presumptuous and they are just trying to do something to get them out of their room. And this is a very funny short story where eventually Prime Minister had to step in to ask Gill family to stop trying to get their, their son and daughter-in-law out of the room. And yes, it's a very short story. This one is narrated by Sukrit Sharma. So again, one narrator I really liked. So anyway, this short story will really bring back your memories from the early 2020. And honestly, it's really funny. So you should just check it out. And lastly, at number 7, I want to recommend you Second Class Romance. Now, this story is about this guy who is a Mumbai local commuter, and he is often in the second class compartment, and he falls in love with this girl who is in the first class compartment, but they're never able to talk because there's a grill in between them. And one day he decides to buy the first class compartment ticket. What happens next? That's something you have to find out by listening to this book by yourself. Okay, this one is another funny and heartwarming book that I'm sure you will enjoy, but you have to try it out and you have to let me know what you think. Okay, and yes, there you go. These are the 7 short stories you must try out on Storytel. Really, you can listen to them in not more than 2 to 3 hours, and it depends on your listening speed, but still you must try out these audiobooks on Storytel. And thank you so much to Storytel for sponsoring today's video as well. And yes, if you want a Storytel subscription, if you have not got it yet, I'll put the link down below in the description. So do use that link. That also helps to support this channel. Otherwise, if you already have the subscription and if you already have been listening to some audiobooks, give me some recommendations for sure so that I can listen to more audiobooks, and maybe I will include those in my next recommendation videos. So let me know of your recommendations for sure if you have some. Otherwise, try out these ones. Okay, and yes, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you really liked it, and sorry for the weird noise in case you noticed. I have been like sick for like 7 days, but today I'm feeling really well, so I'm giving you these recommendations so that you can listen to some audiobooks this weekend. Okay, are you going to do that? Let me know. This will be signing off. I'll be back with another video very soon.